Hi, I've got a VW up here. Just came for a couple of tyres, but I just noticed the lights weren't working. The side lights out. Can you switch the lights on, please? Just the side lights, yeah, that's it. As you can see right there, that one's working. And this one isn't. It's one of those special bulbs. I've got the bulb right here. It's a RB580 bulb. Capless, just going to get the bulb out. Now that's the bulb you need. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure, as you can see right there. Can you turn the lights off, please? As you can see right there, this is the plug that we need to undo. So if I undo the plug, twist it to my left, take the plug out. That's the bulb that needs replacing. I just pull the plug out, pull the bulb out, sorry. Put the new one in. As I put the new one in, slot the bulb back in place. And then twist it to my right. That's it, job done. Now we're just going to check, see if they're working. So can you switch the lights on again, please? There we go. That one's working and that one's working. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.